So, guys, you bring me down today. I was hoping desperately to have some bad points to mention, things that were off, that sounded off grammar-wise, but I couldn't. I'm looking at the graph I made for myself, and I don't see major mistakes. So, congratulations, and I'm glad that you spared this chunk of work for me, so I can focus on other stuff. Some are good, some are bad, but I will start with pronunciation, something that I work constantly myself on. So I will not mention the speakers, I will just say the words and the way they were mispronounced. This is mostly the case for Slavic speakers, people, because we have words that are the same, but in English they're pronounced differently. For example, there's virtuальный, virtual, ban, not ban, ban, Canada, not Canada, and region, not region. Another is Portugal, is the correct pronunciation, transport, and there was one word is when we speak about the roads, when the way to get from point A to point B, it's route, not route. And another one is recording. I don't remember how it was mispronounced, but I put to myself that it's recording. And the question to you, how do we pronounce these words? Advertisement, advertisement. What do you think?
Advertisement.
Advertisement, okay. Do we have any other opinions?
Advertisement. No, advertisement.
Advertisement or advertisement?
Advertisement.
Advertisement, okay. I think, well, these words, I think both work fine, except from what I know is UK version and American version, and there's two different ways to pronounce this word. So if you want to check where the person lives, you can ask these words, and it will give them away. Okay, now we go to the good stuff, and I really like the phrase used by Inna Shevchenko when she was delivering, but giving the feedback. She said, vocal variety worked for Oksana. And this phrase, to work for someone, is a great way to express or say that someone has a specific skill or ability and it works well or works for them. They're good at it and it helps them. So this phrase, work for someone. Another one was to be under their impression. It's, I believe something is like this, but I'm not sure. I'm under the impression that this something is this way. Another great phrase is on the spot. And Timur, you used some very good words that I liked and jotted down for myself. First one is rehearsal. If you're an actor or you participate in any kind of play, you train before. And this training you call rehearsal. You like repeat or prepare yourself. And sturdy, tough guy, like Kevin. And when we take something in account, another phrase used is we consider something. We take it into like account there. We consider something. And another great phrase is shed tears, cry. We can cry, we can weep, but we can shed tears as well. Kevin, wow, there was some great phrases as well by you. And the first one, from the go, from the get-go, from the start, when something's happening, like from the start, from the go. And the synonym for the word start was used is commence, begin, and conveys a message, not just deliver or present something, we conveys a message. And another word is exponent. if you're a supporter or believer of something, you're exponent as well of such party or belief or thing. Moving on, we have Craig. And Craig, wow, this phrase I have never heard in my life, but if you do know this one, this is like, it's a great one. To drive something home. When giving reports on the Pragya, I think, speech, he said that you like drove this home. You delivered this message clearly and it was understandable. It was comprehensible. To drive something home is to make something completely clear to someone. In this case, to us, to the audience. And another word was used, permeates. If something permeates, it means it's filling something or penetrates. Like it's, I don't know, maybe like in this, I think I better check the better definition to say it in English. Another one is when we show emotions, we can say that we also exhibit them, like exhibition, like look at me, I'm exhibiting emotions. And another word that you can write down for yourself is genuinely. It is a synonym for the word sincerely. Yeah. Something done with wholeheartedly. Yeah. And I will wrap up my report with the word of the day, which was used 12 times, which I think is very good. Some people used it deliberately, I believe. Some people used it spontaneously in words like lock down, something we have right now. And the phrase was used also upside down by Inna Shevchenko. Irina Kolotila used ups and downs. Timur used it also. I didn't think you expected to use it, but you did, in a word downstairs. Very good, thank you. And Angela also said ups and downs. Kevin, up and down. Very famous, or like a lot of people like this phrase and use it a lot. Craig used the word down 3 times. And the winner who used the words the most is Pragya. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. I'm really trying. Use the lockdown and bring down something. Also like 3 times. And I think that's pretty much it for my report. I thank you for using good language today and for giving me a lot of good words I can share with you. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Vadym.